Anyway, here we go. I don't think this water thing's working. No camping. You can camp across the thing. This thing ain't worked. Yeah, I always come up here. Kinda no way to, I don't know why they don't let it run or get it going. This thing's dried up. And there's all the hikers, mostly cars right there. And this is at Wolf Gap. And where it says do not enter, you can walk up that road. And there'll be trails off of it. And that trail right there is for the bathrooms, which are right there. Here come the women folk. And I'll show you all this a little closer. So if you would come here to camp, you get one of them little cards and you put it wherever you want to camp. That's the Wolf Gap Recreation Area. I even got pins there for you. Wolf Gap. Nature. Peace out.